Hello everyone. Today we're going to see how to use the date range tool on TradingView. On your TradingView chart, go to the drawing tools located in the left-hand panel. Scroll through the tools or search for date range tool. Click on the tool to activate it. Now click on the starting point on the chart where you want to begin measuring the time range and drag your cursor horizontally to the end point where you want to measure the range. A shaded box will appear between these two time points, indicating the period you're analyzing. Along the box, text will appear displaying the numbers of bars or the time elapsed between two selected points. Right-click on the Drawn Date Range box and select Style from the context menu and modify its appearance. You can change the color, opacity, line thickness, and text size. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.